Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Google Slide Class 8. So in today's class, we are going to learn about tools menu, and those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Share with your friends and relatives so that you can also learn at the same time. Actually, other also can get benefited. So don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe my channel. So let's get into our class. Today's class is regarding tools menu. So the tools menu, the first and foremost point comes to spell check. Actually, spell check, underline errors in personal dictionary. So what I'm going to do, so here underline error is already, I have given a tick mark. So here you can see it shows me some correction over here. So what I'm going to do is just get into tools and I'll click on spell check. So here spelling, and I'm going to click on spell check. So it is going to suggest me that correction exercise, there need a space between that. So here you can see, so what I'm going to do, either if that is the way actually how I want it to be, I can add in my dictionary so that it will automatically understand that is the way I have written is correct actually for me. So I can even add this dictionary, but whenever I write it as a correction exercise, it won't show me in the correction exercise. So now I will ask it to change. So here you can see it has got changed. And the next point comes to it. It shows me it should be like it. So if I want to ignore, I can ignore. If I want to take it, make the changes, I can make the changes. Then the point comes to correct to. Here is a space have to be given. For example, space has to be given. But if I say ignore, so here you can see that correct to has not corrected because I have said ignore. So even if I want to give, I can also give. So manually also I can give and it make it out. So this is why we use this spell check and all that. And the next point comes to explore. For example, if I want to know something about, so just click on what I will do is here in my what is it called, here something has paragraph is here. I'm not able to understand what is mine by print table paragraph. So I don't know what is mine by print table. So what I will do is I'll just select here and I'll get into tools. So let me know what is mean by print table. So here is my explore and search your docs on the web. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type, I'm going to take this one, print table. I want to know the meaning of that. Either I can also type or else actually I'll copy and I'll try to just paste here. So let me search. So here it is showing print table calendars, a paragraph. So let me see what is mean by print table calendar. So here is your print table 2020 calendar, and actually it is going to tell if it is going to give you a few images. So this is how the print table looks, and actually if you want to have something for in your folder matching to that print table, you can also find there. So this is all about exploring yourself, and also if you want any of these calendars to be here placed, all you have to do is just drag and drop, so it will get automatically, it will come over here. I'll just give a delete button and I'll delete it because I don't want it anymore. So let me delete this. So I have deleted and this. Now the next point comes to linked objects. So hope you all would have remembered actually we have created a chart in our class, how to create a chart and how to using our data, how to prepare it. So here just let me just close this and I'm just, so this is the chart, and hope you remember actually we used linked chart options. So here we have used even the sheets, right, to link along with this. So all I'm going to do is just going to click on tools, and here I'm going to click on linked objects. So once I click on linked objects, here you can see I have a Google Sheet for a pie chart and also one column chart Google Sheet I have. So this is the one which has got linked with the Google Sheets. So for example, it will directly take me to what is that called, to the linked object. For example, if I open it, so it will take us to the sheet where we update it. For every day, if I'm updating here, for example, shawarma has been changed to some other rate or something, we have made changes, the automatic updates will happen. So for example, I'm going to change shawarma here Let me just make changes here. So I'll make it to 80, and then now what will happen? Now I have clicked here. So now I've changed shawarma to 80. So next what I have to do is, once I come back here you can see update, and here you can see update all. Why it is asking me to update all? Maybe in the column chart also maybe some differences would have been made actually. So if you just click on update all here, so it will also update over here. At the same time it will just make the changes in the shawarma. So whatever changes we make in our what is that called, in the linked object, just all we have to do is just get into tools, and we have to update tool here, so that we need not to every time make the new charts and make new column charts or a bar chart or a pie chart every time. Just all we have to do is we have to check into the linked objects into the Excel sheet where the changes are made. So all we have to just click on update all options, so that it will get updated automatically. So then the point comes to the tools menu. We have something called dictionary here. So if I click here, I want to know something about, for example, I want to know what does mean by verb. So let me click on it. So here is a noun, verb, everything, the explanation has been given. So this is why we use dictionary if we want to know any meaning of it, particular meaning if you are not aware of. So we can use dictionary. We need not to go jump into Google Chrome and actually open a Google page for that. So voice type speaker notes, it's a very interesting thing. So here you can see whatever I speak out, it will come over here. Let me just click here. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you so much for your service. I have to click one more time, so then only it will get operated. So, hello, how are you? I'm fine. It has already actually it has typed here. If you want to use some other languages, actually there are many more languages. All you have to speak out, and it will automatically try to translate it. It's really very quite interesting thing we have here. So it will get automatically typed here. Then the point comes to script editor. You have to actually learn that separate language that we take us to. If you want to write a script, you can use this. Then the point comes to preferences. So in the preferences, actually, for example, substitution, click on substitution. You want to replace something which you don't want to just type. For example, if I at rate, if I write at rate without a space, what this symbol should get appeared. So you have to just make substitution for. For example, as a random access memory, they have given RAM. If you write RAM, so it will give you actually at the rate of random access memory. So let me just check this whether it really works. So I have clicked on OK button here. So let me just type here. I'll just type here. So 80 at rate space. So here you can see once I give space, it shows me at the rate. So if you don't want it, actually even you can remove it. Just you have to get into tools and actually have to get into preferences, substitutions, and all you have to do is just search for it where you have given at rate, and you can just delete it. So where it is, I think it is not here. So here it is. So I want to just cross this, and I can remove it if I don't want. So I'll click on OK. So this is all about preferences. Enjoyed this class. Those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.